Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this hair from Aesteria hair. It's a headband wig and it is kinky straight. Now this is the hair straight out of the box, no wash, no curls, no nothing. And I want to tell you guys, this hair is thick. It is so thick. Now I wanted to show you guys the headband wig up close. Now the headband part does not come apart. It is attached to the wig, and on the inside it comes with clips at the top and the bottom just to give you guys that extra security. And it also comes with Velcro so you guys can adjust it to your tailored head size. Now, along with this wig, they sent me some headbands. I believe they sent me like 3 or 4. I can't remember. But yeah, they sent me some headbands. This one's really pretty. That one's my favorite. And they also sent me like this head tie that you can tie around. You guys can use this for multiple things, not even just the headband wig. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the wig on. Now, my head is pretty small, so all my girls with small heads, it'll definitely fit snug on your head, because it honestly fit pretty snug on my head. Now you guys see me just adjusting it just to make sure that everything is nice and tight. Personally, me, I like to have my edges showing, so I have my headband wig pushed a little bit back. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach the Velcro in the back just to make sure that everything is secure. Now, I personally wanted to see what the hair would look like, kind of like in a middle part-ish, kind of. But personally, me, I liked it better to the side. I felt like to the side, it looked a little bit more natural. And I feel like it just suited me just a little bit better than the middle part. Now, I wanted to show you guys how long it is on me. This hair is 20 inches, and I'm pretty short. I'm 5'4", so it came down about halfway to my waist. But honestly, you guys, I love this wig. Like, it looks so natural. This hair texture literally matches my hair when it is blow dry straight. Like, if you guys are definitely looking for a natural wig, this is your go-to wig. It is so soft and so full. Like, I love this wig. This is honestly going to be my go-to wig for now on, especially when I have to get up and go to the store. Like, I love it. Now, this middle part, I wanted to show you guys what it looked like just in case you guys did want to try to do a middle part. But honestly, for me, I like it on this side. I think it looks really cute. Now, after this, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what the different headbands look like. Now I'm just going to show you guys some different hairstyles and how versatile this wig is. You guys can do a half up, half down, put it in a bun. You guys can do a ponytail. There's so many options that you can do with this wig.